So I'm here hanging out at the gas station. I was gonna go pick up a little drink. And yeah, we just walked by this robot security guard who's casually here defending whatever snacks here at the food mart. And this wasn't planned. I'm just kind of walking to the office, and this kind of stuff happens. And some people might think it's cool, some people might not. I know for a fact some people don't think it's that cool because it looks like someone threw an entire cup of juice on this robot. Hey Noah, what's going on, man? We gotta catch up soon. But I was just showing, look at this robot out here, man. Are you kidding me? Hold on. They threw a cup of juice on the robot. Look at that juice. What's up? I wish it talked. I think the one at Samsung talks. But yeah, they're pretty much all over Silicon Valley now. And we're probably maybe a year or two ahead of the rest of the country, but this is a new norm. And yeah, it's pretty insane. How could they what, Noah? How could they implement robot security guards at a regular Shell gas station in Silicon Valley? How could they talk? Sometimes they have a speaker. Some robots, like hotel robots, they can sort of talk, or they have screens or interfaces. Also robot police as well. They have generally some sort of screen that you can interact with people. And as well, you know, you have, you know, these things can call the cops as well. They can record video and audio. They can also send off these like crazy alarms that like scare the crap out of whoever's like intruding or whatever. But yeah, this is all, you know, unplanned. I'm just trying to get to work. I'm just got off the bus, walking there. And this is the whole point of what the digital asset is trying to do. We're trying to start this conversation here, whether you're scared of robots or whether you're for it, whether you're for AI or you're not. Either way, if we don't know what's going on in our world, then we don't know how to discuss it. And so I feel like we're in the epicenter of all of this innovation and technology. And so if we don't start talking about it, then we can't make decisions as a people on what are the regulations, what's right, what's wrong, what are the moralities around this. So I want to kind of bring everyone into the conversation, throw a little bit of humor in there, you know, like the cup of juice that this thing just got slammed with. You know, it's all fun and games. But in reality, there's a real robot here at the gas station. So anyways, for more on robots, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, and the like, 3D printing and whatnot, make sure to subscribe at The Digital Acid. And we got more cool shit on the way. You know what I mean? We're trying to show you what's going on. We already live in the Jetsons era. Look at that. Are you serious? Can I touch you? Oh, look at that. So sweet. See? You're not gonna hurt nobody, are you? All right, guys. Love you long time.